Hi, welcome to interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I have listed 30 important Java interview questions. The intention is I'm giving you a list of Java interview questions you can start preparing, and it will be really useful. It will be a guide for you. So let's see the top 30 Java interview questions that you should start preparing for. What is the difference between C++ and Java? Why Java is platform independent? Is Java object-oriented programming language? How? It's not a pure object-oriented language because it has primitive type. What is JVM, Java Virtual Machine? What is Java bytecode? Whenever you compile the Java code, you'll get Java bytecode. That is dot class file will contain Java bytecode, so that this bytecode the JVM can understand it. Okay. What is the difference between abstract class and interface? Very important. And when to use abstract and when to use interface. What is the use of garbage collector in Java? So it is used to manage your memory, JVM memory properly. What is the benefit of finalize method, which is linked with garbage collection? This concept is linked with garbage collection. What is the difference? What are the different types of collections available in Java, and when to use what, like hash map, hash table, vector, array list, set. Okay. What is the difference between comparator and comparable, and what's the advantage, and when to use what? Why strings are immutable? What is the advantage, and how exactly string is internally stored using string? You should know the string constant pool concept. And the next question is Java pass by value or pass by reference? Java is always pass by value. Okay. Most of them assume that pass by reference, but it is pass by value. There are a lot of examples in the net. You can check it out how exactly it works. Basically, you should check for primitive and the objects using some examples, so then you can understand and better answer during the interview, because they might confuse you by reassigning the object and primitive types to a different variable. So you should not get confused how exactly whenever you pass an object to a different function, how exactly it goes, the address exactly goes. So be thorough in this question, pass by value or pass by reference. Okay. Explain static, very important Java interview question. Static keyword, explain difference between instance variables, methods, static variables and static methods. Okay. And how exactly it works in case of threads. Explain exceptions. There are two different types of exceptions, unchecked and checked. How exactly it works internally, please check. Okay. Runtime exceptions are unchecked exception, because compiler does not cry about whatever you do using runtime exceptions. What is use of finally block in Java? What is serialization? Serialization is nothing but storing the state of an object into a flat file or a database. What is transit variable? How do I skip the process of serialization? Explain polymorphism, encapsulation and inheritance in Java. What is the difference between string buffer and string builder, which will give more performance, and when to use what? Explain class loading, how exactly the JVM looks for a class whenever in the runtime, how exactly it loads, how it executes the static blocks and the constructor. So the bootstrap, you should know about bootstrap and the complete hierarchy in the class loader. Why is the main method declared static? Can main method be overloaded? Explain how hash code works in Java. Okay. Hash code works in Java. And hash map, how exactly internally it is used, and what is the importance of equals method, hash code methods in Java works. What is the purpose of declaring variable is final? Why is an interface be able to extend more than one interface, but a class can't extend more than one class? What is the difference between method overriding and overloading? Okay. So I'm trying my best to give 30 most important Java interview questions, so that you can start preparing for your Java interview. So my suggestion is, without knowing the answer for these questions, it really if you know all the answers for these questions, it will be really improve your confidence. Thank you and all the best for your interview. Thank you.